Okay, sorry about that. I got cut off with the time constraint that I have on this app for recording the videos. But hopefully you should have gotten that y equals -5 for step number 4. So now that we have two variables, we are going to go ahead and solve for the third variable. So that will be step number 5. Plug it into any equation in the very first step. So I'm just going to choose the top one again. 3x plus 5y minus 2z equals a -1. I'm going to plug 10 in for x, a -5 in for y, and I'm solving for z. So I have 30 minus 25 or minus 2z equals -1. I'm going to simplify this. So you get -2z equals -6. Divide both sides by that -2. And z should equal 3. All right, and then step number 6 is just to write that as an ordered triplet. So you have 10 for x, -5 for y, and 3 for z. Okay, so that's an example that's actually on your worksheet. This is a little bit more challenging. Your homework then, what I want you to practice, is just to go through those two equations from Monday. I'll post them again with these videos. And try the problems now that have 3 equations. If you have not done so already, make sure that you submit the Google form. That's your warm-up quiz, just to see how you're doing with solving simple 2 equations. And then try these practice problems. Probably on Friday you will get another Google form just for you to practice a 3-part or 3 equation system of equations, just for me to see how you're doing and check in with your progress. I will post the answer keys either the very end of this week or the beginning of next week so that you can double check. But I want everybody to have an opportunity to just practice them on their own without constantly looking at the answer. Okay, as always, if you have questions, let me know. I will be posting the links then for the Google Hangouts. Didn't really have a lot of people in the morning session for Tuesday, so we'll see if that one's included or not. I might add in an evening one to see if you guys need help. But try these problems, email me with any questions, and log on to the Google Hangouts. So, hope you guys have a great rest of your week.